Attention. Raise your right hand and repeat.
See if you notice any difference in sound quality. Get into it.
Now we wait for the recruiter to come and show us the way. And Cheryl, she don't know closed fist means stop. On the base.
I, Nathaniel St. Paul, do solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States.
Okay, now here we are swimming, and there's the Navy boy swimming. At least he knows how to swim. They don't need to teach him how to swim. His mother is giving him lots of lessons right now because she knows it's almost time. Here we are. This, by the way,
Show us
is
a mighty
why
dive.
I love living in Hawaii.
Oh, I said not
I
here.
love it. Love it, love it.